Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about dental management, that how to manage it. So let's see about that. First you can see here dental appointment menu. Now click on and see here this all details. First display patient type and display here total to new and existing. If you want to create new, so easily click on this new patient. Now add your name, add age, phone number, email. Set here appointment date time and select here dentist which you want. Now click on the submit button. So you can see here your appointment is successfully created and display here this thank you message and also display here appointment number. Now log in with receptionist. Now go to dental app and see here this menu appointment, case, patient care and staff. And see here folder is a created appointment. Receptionist is only do the confirm, done and only view the all details but not handle this case. Now create dental case. So see here, this case is generated and move confirm to done state. Now view this case and see here this all details. Display here patient name, email, phone number, date and selected dentist name.
And we have subscribed summary is Apple messaging and Odoo here.
Now log in with dentist for handle this case. Again go to this dental app and see here this treatment board, appointment, case, patient care, staff and reporting. First go to dental case. For handle this, open this folder Oliver patient details and see here all details is available. Now move to diagnosis, add diagnosis and if you want to add prescription also available. Now test for add here X-ray, laser or blood test. I want to select X-ray and add your result for testing like a test diagnosis and now click on this add diagnosis button. So see here your added diagnosis is displayed above and also display in this diagnosis pages. Now click on and see here diagnosis details and if you want to attach any document so easily add here. Now done this diagnosis test. You can easily see here move draft to done state. Now move to treatment and see here this old date that which date in issue. So date number 6 is in issue. So select here and display here case details. Now generate summary. Again see here all details and automatically loaded here in treatment and display here patient details with issue in teeth. Now add here treatment for cleaning, routine, fluoride or filling. I want to select filling, charges and add remarks. Let's save. Now go to case and see here your treatment is generated and also attach here a treatment details with diagnosis date. Now view this treatment and see here your treatment details is displayed here with charges and remarks. Now start this treatment. So see here move diagnosis to in progress. Now done this. So again in progress to done. If you want to add prescription so easily click on. Now add date and add here medicines details like a pain, add dose, frequency, duration and notes like a before, mid. Let's create this and see here your prescription is created and display here these details. Now view this. So see here all details of medicines details. If you want to print this or create escalate so easily click on escalate means if this case is not handled by you then easily move other dentist and if you want to print this dental case so easily click on and easily see here your printed report. Now go to staff details and display here this dentist details. Now go to reporting available in dental case analysis. You can easily see here this patient details. Second is the case history. Now print this based on date, start date and end date and see here this case history report in PDF format. And third one is the appointment history. Now print this and display here appointment history in PDF format. Now log in with the administrator. Again go to dental app and see here display all type menus, treatment board, appointments, cases, patient care, staff details, reporting, and configuration in display all details for tooth to treatment, condition, patient relation, medicine related, dental, patient allergies, insurance company, specialty and diagnosis test. First is the tooth. So display here all tooth with number and photos. Second is the tooth treatment. So display here cleaning, routine treatments and filling with products or code and charges. And third one is chronic condition. Display here condition details. Next is the patient. Display here patient and relation. Display here medicine name or type. Next is the dental. Display here dental procedure, patient allergy, display details of patient allergies. Next is insurance company. Insurance companies display here specialty, display with details. And last is the diagnosis test like a X-ray, laser and blood test. Now if you want to create new, so easily click on new button. Now log in with the user. It means patient Walter Oliver. For view this all details and select here portal. This automatically created. Now log in with Walter and see here this menu dental case. Display here all type of filter like a number, filter by, group by and search number. Display here this list view with number, patient, dentist, date, total charges and status is a treatment. It's a list view. Now if you want to see form view, so click on this and see here this all details for this treatment. You can easily here download and print this treatment and see here all details of dental case. Back to list view. Thank you.